video, I will tell you how to change a binary number into gray code. It's very simple. Please watch the video till the end. You will comfortably able to know how to change it. Suppose we have a binary number that is 101100. This is our binary number. First of all, we have to know how gray code works. So gray code works on the principle of XOR operation. The expression of XOR is y is equal to a bar b plus ab bar, where the a and b are input and y is output. But the trick is here that you have the binary number 101100. First of all, write the most significant bit as it is. So we are writing here 1. Most significant bit is the bit which is leftmost bit. Okay, the bit which is at the leftmost position. So this one is written as it is. Now what you have to do, you have to perform XOR of these two numbers. So how to perform XOR? XOR is nothing but the output of this will be 0 if both numbers are same, and if the numbers are different, then the output will be 1. Here we can see that both numbers are different. This is 1, this is 0. Both numbers are different. So the output of these numbers will be 1. So we will write its output here. Output of these two numbers will be 1. So we are writing 1. Now we have to perform XOR on these two numbers. Okay. Again you can see the numbers are different, and the XOR of different number is always 1. So again the XOR of these numbers will be 1. So we are writing here 1. Now you can see again we have to perform XOR on these two numbers. Now the numbers are same. When the numbers are same, the XOR of these two numbers will be 0. So XOR of this one and this one will be 0. Now we have to perform XOR on this. Again numbers are different, so XOR will be 1. Now we have to perform XOR on this. Again numbers are same, then XOR will be 0. So this is the gray code representation of a binary number. By this method, you can change any binary number into gray code. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.